Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Guys, please respond. Check your audio and video settings, my dear. I have given one task. I hope everyone completed the task. I have given one task. I hope everyone completed the task, my dear. Calculate person age based on the date of birth of a person, right? Collected from the DB table. In Advanced Java, NTAJ 415, JDBC 414, right? JDBC, okay, age calculation application. Person age calculation application. 22nd August Adv. Done. Write a JDBC application. Write a JDBC application that calculates the person age based on the given person ID and given person ID. Based on the given person ID. Okay. Get the DOB, date of birth from DB table column. Get the reason, guys. This can be done in two ways. Okay, this can be done in two ways. In two ways, right? Subtraction minus only now was two ways. Approach one, using database software specific SQL queries. Using database software specific SQL queries. Okay. This logic changes database software to database software. Approach to using Java code. What is that, guys? Using Java code. Understanding my statement, guys? This is approach one, guys. This is approach two. Using Java code. This logic is database software independent code. Database software independent. Database software independent logic. Nice, my dear. Right click, new class. Right click, new class. Tell me, guys. Okay, first of all, let us find out query in Oracle, guys. Let us find out query in Oracle. I think we always prefer SQL developer. We are launching Rababu. Alexa, activate balcony fan. Those who have not completed tasks, just look at this. Simla Banu. Simla Banu, you have a lot of time to waste, huh? Good. Everyone look at the message. Alexa, give me a BF. Okay. Number one, Simla Banu. Number one, I know you are not a girl, you are a boy. Okay. Uh, I know you are not a girl, you are a boy. Because no girl will speak like this. Number one. Number two. Hmm. Number two. Okay. For the sake of fun, if you change your gender means you can change your parents also anytime. You can change your parent also at any time. That's clear. So, class, my dear, person is calculated. Okay. Underscore array. Person is calculator underscore array. So, let's take any application. Let's take any application. Let's take this try with resource part, Babu. Try with resource part. Come on, guys. Okay. No statement object we are preferring was. Okay. Here is end of the try. Catch. SQL exception. Yes. SC dot print status. Catch. Exception E. E dot print status. What dot, guys? E dot print stack. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Now tell me. Private static final string. Is underscore calculator underscore code. Select sysdate comma DOB from customer underscore info where CNO is equal to question. Select 365.0. From customer underscore info where CNO is equal to question. Where CNO is equal to question. Tell me next one. Prepared statement. PS is equal to con dot prepare statement of. Okay. Sir. Okay. We are ready with prepared statement. Scanner is ready. Next one. Read input values. If SC not equal to null. Okay, what is that, guys? If SC not equal to null, sys out, enter person ID, sorry, customer ID. Customer ID. Nice words. Here is the variable. Here is the variable. Into NO is equal to 0. Here, NO is equal to SC dot next. SC dot next. Got it, guys? So, tell me next one. NO is equal to SC dot next. Yeah, next one. Set values to query params. If PS not equal to null, PS dot, now tell me, set int of 1 comma n. PS dot set int of 1 comma n. We are setting value to query parameter now. We are setting value to query parameter. Understanding my statement, guys? Query parameter. Then what is next? Execute the query. Execute the SQL query and get the result to set object. Why? Result set RS is equal to PS dot execute query. Result set RS is equal to PS dot execute. And why there not while grammar? Sorry, it's a try with resource. It should be try with resource. Result set RS is equal to okay. Result set RS is equal to PS dot execute. What dot execute query, guys? PS dot execute. Tell me, guys, we got a result set object? Yes. Yeah, I know that only one value will come. If R is not equal to null, then if R is dot next, tell me, sys out person is. Are you understanding what I am trying to do? RS dot get to float of 1. RS dot get to float of 1. Super. Else sys out person not. Sys out person not. End of the try block, guys. Okay. End of the not. This is not try block. End of the if condition, boys. End of the try with. This is a try to. This is a try. Okay. Person not found a customer. I think our application is customer, right? Customer is customer not. Customer is customer not. Understanding my statement, guys? Why floata? Age comes in a calculator query. Age calculator query in MySQL. Age calculator query MySQL. Tell me, guys, year of current date minus year of this one. From here, it is taking current date. Current date means system data. DOB. This is the column name. This is the column name. This is the column name, right? Okay. How to get age from DAB field? How to get age from DAB field? So records are inserted. Year. What is that? Year current date minus year current date. From here it is getting year. From DOB it is getting the year. From the DOB it is getting the year. Come on, guys. Tell me, guys, what is the year? 4-wise MMDD. 4-wise MMDD. 1998. Current date is 2022. 2022 minus 1998. How much, guys? 2028 minus 1998. 24 years, huh? Okay. Maybe this is prepared in the year 20, a few years back. That's why 24 is coming. 21 is coming. 24. But here one fly is there. It is just deducting year minus year. It is this query is not considering dates and months. Did you like it? Did you like this query? No, I didn't like this query. Did you like this query, guys? I didn't like it. Ignore it. So you should have that common sense, Ra Babu. You should have that common sense. You should have that common sense. Understanding my statement? Okay, now tell me. Listen. Date difference now. Now, comma. Now listen. Date difference now, comma your date of birth. Now, comma your date of birth. Now, comma your date of birth. That gives date difference. That we are converting into what, guys? That we are converting into days. That we are converting into date format. That we are converting into date format. Come on, guys. That is coming or not coming, boss? That we are converting into this. Date format from days difference. Days difference. What is next one? Only from, see, in the date format, I'm using only Y. I'm using only Y, right? Only Y means only years have come. Only Y means only years have come, right? Suppose if you don't use these guys, difference will come in days by 365.25. You will get the age or not. Okay, let's use this. Let's use this. Go to MySQL, guys. Okay, Oracle part is completed, my dear. Leave it. Oracle part is completed. Let's launch MySQL now. I think other day we have inserted in MySQL also, if I am not wrong. Score info. Customer underscore info. Customer underscore info. Mr. Saurya, this is just detecting year from year. This is not perfect query. Saurya, you are not listening. Parallelly, you are searching. I have given this query. I said it is detecting year from here. That's why it is wrong. That's why it is not perfect query. First few minutes we spend on this query only. Please keep the habit of listening class. What's the use? Waste of time for me, waste of time for you. Everyone look at the chat box. What query we said not a good query. Again he is giving, sir, this is on query. And I also given that query first. Babu. All Mahan Purush are there. Babu. All Mahan Purush. Mahan Purush. Yes, boss. Now tell me, this is the date of birth. So we have to write the query. How to write? Where to write the query? Here we can write the query. Here we can write the query. Tell me, guys, what is the query? Inspire and write. Inspire and write. Okay. Inspire and write. I don't mind. Date format. Array, we don't bother about date format, Naura Babu. We don't bother about select from. Yeah, what is this stupid query, Raleigh? Select from underscore days difference. Here is DOB. Here is DOB. Tell me, guys, from customer underscore info, where CNO is equal to 2. CNO is equal to 2. Execute the query. Execute the query. Any issue, boss? Any issue is there? No database selected. We have to select the DB. How to select the DB, Babu? How to select the DB? Schema name, that's fine. But here we have to give the DB name. What is that? NTAJ 414 DB1 dot. DB1 dot customer info. Yeah, tell me what is happening. What's happening, Arababu? It is coming in the form of it is coming in the form of date. This is not good now, boss. Is it going to work out? No. Okay. So remove that from date also. Remove that from date also. Array, life is all about improvisations, Ra Babu. Now, look at this query now. This look query. 11,131 something has come. On that one, what is that? 365.25. 365.25. Click on this, guys. 30.9678 has come. 30.9678 has come, right? Okay. What is the original customer table data, guys? Select two rows. What is the original data? 1991. Customer number is equal to 2. 1991. 1991 means 30 years. Right now was 30 years change. 30 years change. That means it's coming perfectly or not. 30 years, 96 days, some change is coming, Babu. So it's coming perfectly over here or not. So like this, we have to evaluate the things now. Like this, we have to evaluate the things. Internet, so many things available. You should have a common sense, what fits, what does not fits. You should have, now we will give current date. It's like sys date. It's like sys date. Age calculator query. SQL query in MySQL database software. In MySQL database software. Are you with me, guys? Understanding my statement? Right, boss. Tell me, this is the main part, brother. This is the main part. Nawaf use system date comma time. System date. Okay. System date. Date diff. Date diff gives. Come on. Date diff gives. Okay. Gives the difference between two days. The difference between 2 days in number, in the form of number of days. In the form of number of days. Understanding my statement, guys? In the form of number of days. Simply in the form of number of days. Okay, shall I convert this example to that fashion? Okay. Where is this? Age calculator. Person age calculator. Fine, no problem. File, save as. Person age calculator, MySQL. Bravo. Person age calculator, MySQL. Super. Person age calculator, MySQL. In the comment also, let me change this one to MySQL. Right? Let me change this one to MySQL. What is the query, guys? What is the query? from customer underscore info where CNO is equal to. So date diff. Okay. Is here not required because in the connectivity are very clear about what our logical database. Here not required. Here not required. System dot Indra Babu. Here is what JDBC colon MySQL colon NTAJ 414 DB. NTAJ 414 DB. DB1. What is the username, guys? What is the password, guys? What is the username? Root. What is the password? Yeah, this is my prepared statement. Case calculator query. Here is my username. Here is my password. Yeah, this is my prepared statement, guys. Super. Customer ID, 1 comma, NO, all. Remaining everything is same, Rabba. Remaining everything is same. Same to same. End of the main method, end of the class. Click on 1. Person age is 30. 30.2. Person age is 30. Okay. You pass 3 here. Customer not. You pass 3 here. Customer not. Customer not. Done was calculator underscore MySQL. Personage calculator underscore Arakin. Yes, entire magic of the query is this. Remaining everything is normal about. Set int of 1 comma NO. Get float. Result settings. You guys got the point, my dear? Okay, what's the problem, guys? Queries are changing database to database because these date-related functions are not same in all database software. Queries are changing. That means indirectly, whatever code I have written, somehow it is becoming database software dependent code or not. Somehow it is becoming database software dependent code or not. Say something, my dear. Or not becoming. Yes. Definitely it is becoming database software dependent. Come on, my dear. Got it? Got the clarity, boss. So we should think about alternate for it. We must think about alternate for it, guys. Let's think about alternate. Okay. That is approach number 2. What is approach number 2? Everything we try to write as a Java statement. What is your thought process, sir? Very simple. You get the DOB value from database through query. But just getting DOB value, we does not need any database software SQL query. Getting just DOB column value is common in any database software. And by creating object for a date class, you get the system date. System date and DOB value in the form of java.util.date class. Both dates you convert into milliseconds. Find out the difference between both milliseconds. By 1000 seconds will come. By 60 minutes will come. Again by 60 hours will come. By 24 definitely years will come. Are you comfortable, my dear? Definitely years will come or not. That is the thought process. That is the simple thought process. Approach to guys. Now let's have a look, guys. Person age calculator. Amit Bharati 365.25. Why 25 guys? 366. Okay. For all 4 years, if I divide that one day extra, what it will be? For all 4 years, if I divide that one day extra, what it will be, boss? It will be .25 or not, 0.25 or not. Yeah, person age calculator, Java logic. Person age calculator, Java logic. Person age calculator, what is this? Java logic. Java logic. Come on, guys. Right. No, here my target is not calculating age, Rabo. Get underscore DOB underscore DOB by CN. Select DOB from select DOB from tell me customer underscore info where CNO is equal to the question. Where CNO is equal to question. Where CNO is equal to question. Yes. Copy paste. Nice, Babu. Copy paste. Cool. Enter customer ID. Done. Enter customer ID. Done, Babu. Get DOB by CNO. Get DOB by CNO. Get DOB by CNO. Understanding my statement, guys? Root. Done. Enter customer ID. Cool, guys. PS not equal to null. Only DOB column was. This query remains same in any database software. Right now, first let me execute in MySQL. Java logic. We got it. We set it. Here we get the result set object. Here we get the result set object. In the result set object, only DOB will be there. Tell me here what is this? Java.util.date UDOB is equal to rs dot get date of one. You got util date class object representing date of birth. Cool, guys. Next date java.util.date sys date is equal to new date. Is equal to new date. Understanding my statement, guys? Java.util.date sys date this one. Cool na, super cool na. Arrays, see, you will get SQL date, but when superclass reference variable can refer one of its subclass object or not. People ask me, sir, here we get utility date, SQL date. Now, how can you take refer it by using SQL date? Learning core Java is very easy, ra babu. Applying core Java needs brain. If I ask a direct question, superclass reference variable can refer one of its subclass object. Everyone will give answer. Everyone understand. But when I use it, you should realize, right? And for that one, you should have one point in mind. Util date class is the superclass of SQL date class, right? If that point is there in your mind, then headache will not be there. If that point is not there in the mind, definitely headache will be there. No doubt in that. That's what I'm saying. While learning core Java, learning OOPS is very easy. Applying OOPS at right time, that is most important. That comes with practice. Okay. If you go to corporate training in the companies, they write the code, they don't explain the code. They say, as a completed engineering, taking salary of 4-5 lakhs per annum, and still you're asking me to explain the code. You should understand the code. As part of corporate training also, they write the code, they never explain the code. You know how many days they will give for JDBC? Daily 7 to 8 hours of training, 4 days JDBC over. 1 week Servlet over. JSP 3 days. Spring 10 days. Core Java 10 days. Okay, within 15 days or 20 days, 30 days, Java training will be over. The person who is really learning first time, he won't get anything. He won't get anything. Getting my point? Okay. But you should have that desire of becoming solid Java programmer. Yeah, now listen. Okay, let it be, let it be. Sys out. You don't believe. Literally, I am doing spoon feeding. Not even spoon feeding. Below that, if anything else is there, that I am doing. Okay. Line by line, I am writing comment. Line by line, we are trying to understand. Because I know this is required. Once you become mature programmer, all these things are not required, right? Okay. Okay, one thing is clear, guys. After attending my JDBC classes, Harikrishna sir Core Java classes, you started liking coding or you started hating coding? Earlier, you are in the dilemma: am I a coder or not? Can I become programmer or not? Array. You should know the reason. The thought process itself gives a lot of kick. Thought process itself gives a lot of kick. The way we design, the way we think to solve the problem, that itself gives a lot of kick, right? if coding nasha is there in your brain, Babu, there is no need of other nasha in your life. There is no need of other nasha in your life. That's why I'm not an alcoholic. Though I am from IT industry, though I have a very bad circle, belonging to real estate, belonging to other places, but still I am not alcoholic because I have other nasha. What is that nasha? uh, coding nasha. So codalic. I'm a codalic, right? Right, boss. Super. System dot out dot println. Tell me. Sysdate minus 1 minute. 1 minute percentage. Long. A's in MS. A's in MS is equal to, listen, A's is MS is equal to UDOB dot get time minus, okay, reverse. Sysdate dot get time minus UDOB dot get time minus UDOB dot get time. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super. UDOB dot get time. UDOB dot get time. Super, guys. Tell me, guys. A is in milliseconds by 1000 point F. 1000 point F. Next, 60 point F. Array, why F? To tell that it's a floating point. Another 60.0 F. Another 60.0 F. This is in minutes. This is in hours. Sorry. This is in days. 24.0 F into 365.25 F. Okay, 25 F. Closing parenthesis. But one thing, what I should do, this entire thing is in one bracket. One bracket. Again, this entire thing is in one sub-bracket. This entire thing is in one sub-bracket. Okay, guys. If RS dot next, this. Else this. Okay. I think you got the clarity, guys. You got the basic idea what I am telling. Person age calculator. Customer ID 2. Again run it. Customer ID 1. Yes. It's coming or not? It's coming. But listen, interestingly, you comment this line and make it ready for Oracle. Make it ready working for Oracle. Make it ready working for Oracle. JDBC : Oracle : @localhost : 1521 : X. Why to take float? Long by double. Long by int gives int only. Problem. Long by int gives int only. Problem. That's why I'm taking float point. Okay. What is the username, guys? System. What is the password, guys? Manage. Yes, guys. Click on it. Customer ID 31.8404. Coming now, boss. You give other than that. Am I changing the code, guys? No, except JDBC properties. Am I changing the query? Am I changing the JDBC code database to database? Now this logic is common for all database softwares or not? This logic is very much common and very much common for all database softwares or not? Come on, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one thoroughly, na? I hope you enjoyed this one thoroughly. Come on, what do you say? You thoroughly enjoyed this? You thoroughly enjoyed this? Copy this, boss. Using Java code. This is a database software independent technique. What's happening? Code has not come perfectly. What happened, Rao? What happened? MySQL has come. After that, where is our code? Is our code? Where is our code? Control Y. Here we need to get DOB values. Here we need to get what values, guys? Here we need to get DOB values. What values, guys? DOB. Date of birth value. Okay, from DB table. Here we need to get DOB values from DB table. DOB value from DB table as java.util.date class object. Okay. Then find the difference between system date and DOB date, that is in java.util.date class object in the form of milliseconds. In the form of milliseconds. Got it, guys? In the form of milliseconds. In the form of milliseconds. And convert them into years and days. Convert them into years and days. Okay, guys, here is the last. Here is the logic for egress. Here is the logic for it. Done, boss. CNO 0, customer underscore info. Entire magic is there here. Entire logic is there in this. Okay, especially these calculations. Got it? Age calculator query, age calculator SQL query in database. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Shall we get into the next level discussion? Shall we get into the next level discussion, boss? Yeah, with this age calculation, date and time related discussions are over. Okay. Next, we have to think about how to deal with large objects. But before dealing with large objects, can I revise your IO streams knowledge? If you know, IO streams of core Java. If you don't know, you are going to learn for some first time, listen carefully. Complete knowledge of IO streams you will get in your core Java course. Whatever I am going to teach here is basic knowledge, guys, which is required for my JDBC program. What is stream, guys? A stream is a continuous flow of data. Continuous flow of data. Okay. Or sequential flow of data. Sequential flow of data. Okay, guys. Next one, guys. A stream provides environment or channel or pipeline to write data to destination or to read data from destination. To write data to destination or to read data from destination. Write data to destination or to read data from destination. Okay, guys. To write data to destination or to read data from destination. Okay. Now listen, guys. This is source Java application. Destination file. Destination is file. This is my Java application. Next. Here is my Java application. Right, guys, Java application. Java application. This is like a stream now. This is like a stream. Okay, file is called destination. So this is like a source. The source called application uses the IO stream to write to write and read data to or from destination. What it now was? The stream destination can be a file. I don't think the stream is there only to write a file was. Can be a file, can be a array, can be a object. Yeah, this is very important. Can be a device. Console kind of device, right, Babu? Console kind of device, right? Device like monitor, like system screen. Can be a collection, can be a collection, etc. Can be a collection, etc. No doubt we use file a lot, Rabba. We use file a lot. We use file a lot. But don't think that streams can write only to files, guys. Stream can write data to an array, can write to another object, can write to device, can write to a collection. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Built-in streams in Java. We don't create them. Built-in streams in Java. Okay. System.in. System.in. Okay. It is input stream, Rav. Input stream pointing to input stream pointing to standard input device called keyboard. Standard input device called keyboard. Input stream pointing to standard input device called keyboard. Next. System.out. Output stream, Rababu. Pointing to standard output device. Standard output device called console. Console or monitor. Next. System.ER. Output stream pointing to output device, console or monitor. Yes, and was. Okay. For writing errors, for writing outputs, for writing errors. These are built-in streams in Java. We don't create them, they come automatically. We don't create them, they come automatically. Okay, yes. Okay. All built-in streams are static objects declared in the system. Static objects declared in the system. Okay. Understanding my statement, guys? Two types of streams. Byte streams. Okay. Can be used to write or read binary data and text data. Can be used for both, Ramos. Can be used to read or write, to write or read binary data or text data. To or from destination. Yeah, that is byte stream, Rao. Next. Character stream. Character streams. can be used to write or read only text data. Only text data. Okay. Yes. Right. Give me some gap. Hey, using byte streams also. Byte streams using that we can write text data. Binary data means 0, comma 1. Okay. Generally, the data of image files, audio files, video files is binary data. Tell me. In byte streams, the output streams are given for writing data. In byte streams, the input streams are given for reading data. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Examples for output streams, Rava. Okay. What is that? File output stream, data output stream, object output stream, and exit. Next, guys, example. File input stream, data input stream. What is it, guys? File input stream, data input stream, object input stream, and exit. Object input stream and exit. One side byte streams, Babu. One side characters. One side byte streams, Babu. One side character streams. Can be used to write or read only text data to or from destination. To or from destination. Okay, guys. Okay. Tell me, guys. In character streams, the writer streams are given to write data. Given for writing data. Writer streams are given for writing data. Example, file writer, example, what is that, guys? File writer. Okay. Buffered writer. File writer, buffered writer. No. Buffer. File writer, buffered writer. Okay. Buffered writer. And next. Next, in character streams, what, guys? In character streams, the reader streams are given for reading that. Okay, guys. Example, file reader, file writer, file reader, buffered reader, Okay. And X. The input stream reader is a different. Input stream reader is a different. Don't worry. Yes. Array, though we can write text data by using byte streams, Rababu. Exclusive text data we handle by using character streams. Exclusive text data we handle by using character streams. Okay. If it is binary data, we handle by using byte streams. Getting my point, guys? Yes, sir. Why are you teaching all these things? Array, while discussing large objects, we need to deal with streams knowledge, because large objects means what? Files. Pointing to files, what will be there? Streams will be there. So to read the data, to write the data, we need the support of streams or not? To read the data, to write the data, we definitely need the support of streams or not? We definitely need the support of streams or not? Come on, guys. Everyone tell me, boss. Understanding my statement, boss? Come on. Are you with me? That's it. Clear, guys? Got the clarity? Super. Okay, guys. Right. So let me upload your document to this place, guys. Yeah. Where is this? Advanced Java 4 p.m. Advanced Java 4